Hey everybody, so I got another guess what's in the box video, but it's a giant bag. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I got several packages in the mail. I got 3. We're going to do a guess what's in the box video on all of them, as well as I got one coming on Wednesday. And then we're going to open all these packages. Where is mine? Oh, it's over here. So this is just another short little guess what's in the box video, or bag quotation. So the bag is as equal as I can measure it without it moving on me. It's 17 and 5/8 long by 13 inches wide, and it's not very thick. It's 1.5 inches thick, and this bag has quite a bit in it. It's got quite a bit in it. You might be able to make out what's in the bag just by me holding it like this. That's the only hint you're getting. I'm just kidding. It's items in this bag are from Ultra Tools. I'll let you guys figure out what you think they are. Whoever guesses the closest, I'll send out an Ultra Tool sticker to you guys, and a tool sticker from a buddy of mine's Trench Garage. So whoever gets closest, let me know, and I'll send you guys some stickers. But, you know, quick little video, nothing major. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And down in the description below, I do have at the very top of the description, I do have a website link for Ultra Tools that has my initials on it. That is a 10% off coupon for signing up at ultratools.com, and then you guys getting 10% off whatever your order is. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!